We have a lot to get to, starting with alarming headlines about the coronavirus. Those worries sending the stock market plunging on Thursday.
And as states are reopening, many cities and counties across the country are warning of a surge in cases. This map from FEMA showing the latest hotspots.
And some hospitals seeing a jump in patients. One of those states seeing a spike is Florida. Victor Oquendo joins us now from Miami Beach with more on that. Good morning, Victor.
Good morning, Amy. This will be the first weekend that Miami's beaches have been open in months. Casinos are set to reopen today, but this all comes as Florida sees its biggest jump in cases since the pandemic began. One expert calling the numbers devastating. This morning, states across the country are pushing ahead with reopening plans, even as experts warn a new wave in the pandemic is coming. One Harvard doctor says the death toll in the U.S. could surpass the 200,000 mark by September.
If we don't act, the future is very grim. There'll be a lot of people who are going to get very, very sick. Many people will die.
Florida is among the 20 states seeing an increase in cases. County health officials citing lack of face coverings and social distancing behind the spike. And despite seeing the state's highest increase in cases so far, Florida Governor Ron DeSantis says schools will be open this fall.
Having a teacher there, there's not going to be a substitute for that in-person instruction.
Infectious disease expert Dr. Arlene Marty telling us reopening schools is possible, but may face challenges when it comes to preventative measures.
If done very properly and if we all, including the children, take personal responsibilities, then we can come up with solutions as long as we bear in mind where the risks are and how to keep those risks to a minimum.
Since Memorial Day, Texas has seen a 36% increase in COVID-related hospitalizations.
I'm growing increasingly concerned that we may be approaching the precipice of a disaster.
The state marked its highest daily tally of new cases this week.
Whenever this first started happening and things started opening back up, we wore a mask everywhere. But I think as the weeks went on, we kind of just laid off from it, just washed our hands and didn't think anything of it, and then boom.
And in Kansas, officials now reporting that a second person has tested positive for COVID-19 after this large Memorial Day pool party at the Lake of the Ozarks. And Oregon now delaying their reopening for at least a week, citing the rising number of cases there. Bottom line, the doctor that we spoke with from FIU says 90 to 95% of us are still susceptible to the virus. And when we let our guard down, we see these upticks in cases. TJ?
All right, Victor, thank you for that.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.